Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. Come right in. Let's make this all natural immunity boosting wellness tea perfect for a winter morning. For this powerful immunity booster wellness tea, we are starting with coriander, fresh coriander. We're also going to be adding fresh mint leaves. For best results, I always take time to prep my ingredients, wash them thoroughly with clean water, utensils, and hand hygiene. A combination of fresh mint and coriander helps improve digestive health, including reducing bloating. It helps flush toxins away from our body and supports liver health. Fresh mint leaf and coriander leaves is packed with antioxidants and vitamins that helps boost our immunity, helps speeds up metabolism, thereby promoting weight loss, and reduces water retention. It also freshens the breath. Next is garlic. I have chosen garlic for this powerful natural immunity booster juice because garlic contains antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal properties that helps boost our immunity, aids with our digestion, improves heart health, helps flush out toxins from our bodies naturally, and helps to relieve cold and flu symptoms, including soothing sore throat. Next on the list is lemon, one of my regulars and favorites. It is loaded with vitamin C, and a case of you drink it, you glow and you feel really good. I feel good. Na, 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 na. Fresh lemon is loaded with vitamin C that helps you boost your immunity naturally. It promotes digestive health, a powerful detoxifier that flushes out toxins from our body, helps the skin glow from inside out, boosts energy, and so forth and so on. One of my favorites. Quick reminder, subscribe if you haven't, like this video, leave me a comment. It is brew o'clock. So our freshly prepped garlic is going in first. And what ingredients did we miss? We have ginger. So I didn't have fresh ginger at home. I'm using powdered ginger. And of course, you know ginger is loaded with loads of health benefits. It is a superfood in all its rights. Let ginger you up. It is your turn to leave the benefits of ginger in the comment section. Now it's time to add our fresh lemon into the mix. Next to go into the brewing pot is our combo coriander and fresh mint leaves. Let's see how much I can fit into my teapot. Remember to do you be you. In terms of quantity, you can't really go wrong. Just mix and match the way you please, taking your specific needs into account. Now, what do we have here? Let's spice things up with peppercorn, dried grated peppercorn. This takes this tea to another level, a good complement to the rest of the ingredients. Last but not the least is the boiling hot water into the rest of the ingredients for brewing. Now cover and let it sit for at least 3 minutes. After the first 3 minutes, open the pot of tea, stir it properly to help proper integration of all the ingredients. Cover and let it sit for another 5 minutes. And voila! Tea is served. Another quick reminder to subscribe if you haven't, like this video and leave me a comment. Relax now and let's enjoy a cuppa tea. Not just any kind of tea, but a powerful, all-natural aromatic tea for a soothing, health-boosting experience. No additives, no preservatives. Make food your medicine. Again, I say, make food your medicine. What a great and healthy start to a beautiful day. First thing in the morning, warm up, especially in this winter. You may choose to add some sweetener like honey, dates, but I love mine just like this. Remember to like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Subscribe if you have not already. Share, and until I see you next time, make food your medicine. Click on these videos popping up for more exciting recipes.